Why choose between cooking and comfort when you can have it all? Imagine your outdoor grill, custom installed right here. Decide on whether you need drawers. Decide on whether you need cabinetry. Your burner right next door, a prep station, and even a sink. Granite counters, seating area, all in high quality, luxurious materials built to last. Choose from an array of colors and styles designed to meet your particular needs. These are all made from HDPE material built to last, waterproof and weather resistant. Call us today for your free at-home design, 786-605-1675, or you can visit us online at miamialuminumpergola.com and get your outdoor living space design free today.